All right, Math Maniacs, here we are looking at the predicted value of a car. Now, you remember when we did housing costs, predicted value showed us that houses go up or appreciate in value over time. Unfortunately, the same is not true for cars. In fact, they depreciate rather quickly. And in this case, we're going to find the depreciation rate or how much the car will be worth in, oh, it looks like we're going to look at 4 years. So Sammy bought his car for $16,580. His car is expected to depreciate or go down in value, an average of 14% each year during the first 5 years. What is the predicted value of his car in 5 years? All right, so first we have to look at the formula. The formula for this is the predicted value, or what we're looking for, is equal to the purchase price of the car, or the purchase value for V, times 1 minus the rate of depreciation raised to the y power, where y is the number of years. So here, our purchase price is 16,580. So that's going to be V. So I'm going to plug that in for V. 16,580 times 1 minus the rate of change, where here the rate is 14%. Well, I want to change 14% into a decimal, and I know you guys remember that we just moved that decimal 2 places to the left. So it's going to be 0.14 raised to the power of the number of years. Well, we want to find out how much his car is going to be worth in 5 years. So that's going to be y. So we're going to put 5 up here. Now, what I'm going to do is order of operations tells me I have to do what's inside the parentheses first. Oops, I picked up my phone instead of my calculator. I wasn't looking. All right, so I'm going to do 1 minus 0.14. And when I put that in my calculator, I get 0.86 raised to the 5th power. All right, order of operations tells me that next I have to do my exponent. So I'm going to say 0.86 raised to the 5th power. And I get a big long decimal, okay? That's approximately equal to 0.47. So if you're doing it along with me, 0.86 raised to the 5th power is about 0.470427018. But I'm not going to write all that here. I'm just going to take it while it's still in my calculator. I'm going to multiply it times the original purchase price of the car, which was $16,580. And I find, oh boy, he's going to lose some money on this one. His car is going to be worth approximately, and I'm rounding here, I'm rounding to the nearest hundred. It's going to be worth approximately $7,800 is all in 5 years. So cars are not an investment. They go down in value. They depreciate.